be making the Grimace shake. First, wash your hands. First, blueberries. Hold up. Blueberries. Second, raspberries. Third, vanilla ice cream. And lastly, hold up. Now we gotta pour it into our blender. Okay. Now all you need to do is oh shoot. Hold on, guys. Okay. We got. Hold up. I think it needs more blending.
A few moments later.
We got a Grimace shake. Okay, I'm very scared to try this. Okay. Now we pour it into a... Get in, boy. Hold up, guys. You need some time. Ah! I'm okay. Okay, just don't look at the floor. Okay, now we need our straw. A straw. Nothing. And now we try the Grimace shake. Great. For our Grimace shake, we put whipped cream. Yeah, can you reopen this? So, now we got a whipped cream opened. Now we pour it in our Grimace shake. And now we get up. Now we got our straw. And pour it in there. And yes, now you got your brand new Grimace shake.